Artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't about robots plotting world domination or machines taking over the world like in science fiction movies. Instead, it's about teaching computers to mimic certain aspects of human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, and problem-solving, so they can help us in new and creative ways. At its core, AI is a collection of specialized tools. Some are designed to understand and process speech, others can recognize faces or objects in images, and some can even translate languages or predict what you might want to type next. There are also AI systems that master complex games, outsmarting even the best human players and learning new strategies on their own. But these are not sentient minds. They don't think or feel. They're sophisticated algorithms, trained on vast amounts of data, learning by example at incredible speed and scale, far beyond what any human could process. Instead of programming every single rule, we now show AI millions of examples, photos, words, or sounds, letting it figure out patterns and make decisions on its own, often surprising us with its accuracy. Today, AI is a powerful tool quietly transforming our world, from the way we communicate to how we work and play. A catalyst for change that's only just begun to reveal its true potential in our everyday lives. AI is everywhere, often invisible, but always working behind the scenes. When you ask your phone for the weather, stream a new show, or type a message, AI is powering those experiences. Recommendation engines suggest what to watch, autocorrect fixes your typos, and predictive text finishes your sentences. Navigation apps use AI to analyze real-time traffic and find the fastest route. From news feeds to music playlists, AI personalizes and streamlines our digital lives. It's the silent helper, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Fast forward to 2036. AI will be even more integrated into daily life, shaping the way we live, work, and connect with each other in ways we can only begin to imagine. Imagine homes managed by AI, where comfort is automatically adjusted, groceries are restocked before you even notice, and daily routines are streamlined for convenience and efficiency. Self-driving cars could make commutes not only safer and more productive, but also less stressful, as vehicles communicate with each other to prevent accidents, ease congestion, and give us back valuable time. Education will be transformed, with AI tutors personalizing lessons to each student's needs, helping every learner reach their full potential, and making classrooms more engaging and interactive than ever before. In creative fields, AI will become a true collaborator, helping musicians, writers, and artists brainstorm, refine ideas, and even explore new forms of expression that blend human imagination with machine intelligence. Rather than replacing human creativity, AI will amplify it, taking care of tedious or repetitive tasks so we can focus on what inspires us most and push the boundaries of innovation. The future promises a seamless partnership between people and intelligent machines, opening up new possibilities for collaboration, connection, and a better quality of life for everyone. AI's potential for good is immense, especially in healthcare. AI can analyze medical scans with superhuman accuracy, helping doctors detect diseases early and focus on patient care. In the workplace, AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing people for creative problem-solving and collaboration. Personalized AI tutors can bridge educational gaps, making high-quality learning accessible to all. AI also helps model climate change, optimize agriculture, and break down language barriers. Ultimately, AI amplifies human ingenuity, helping us tackle global challenges and build a smarter, more sustainable world. With the rapid rise of AI, we face a host of real and complex challenges, especially when it comes to jobs, privacy, and fairness in our society. The impact of artificial intelligence is being felt across industries and communities, sparking both excitement and concern about what lies ahead. As AI automates more and more tasks, some jobs will inevitably change or even disappear, pushing workers to adapt by learning new skills and embracing different approaches to work. This shift can be daunting, but it also opens doors to new opportunities and careers that didn't exist before. At the same time, AI's reliance on vast amounts of personal data raises urgent questions about privacy, security, and how our information is used. Protecting our data and ensuring transparency in AI systems is more important than ever. Bias in AI systems is another serious concern. If not carefully addressed, these biases can perpetuate discrimination and reinforce existing inequalities, making it crucial to develop fair and accountable technologies. Ensuring fairness, transparency, and ethical standards in AI development is not just a technical challenge. It's a moral imperative that requires collaboration from all sectors of society. But the future is still ours to shape. By investing in education, creating thoughtful policies, and encouraging open public dialogue, we can guide AI's development to benefit everyone and serve the common good. Together, we have the power to build a future where AI augments our abilities, inspires creativity, and helps create a more equitable, innovative, and hopeful world for generations to come.